Hello friends, welcome to Magic of Smartphone. I hope you are liking all my videos. Let me know if you want to learn something special. I'll surely make a video. Okay. Today I'm going to show you some more magic in PicsArt, of course. Brushes. I'm going to cover the topic brushes in PicsArt. Okay, so I'm going to the app PicsArt. I'm tapping on it. Tapping, this is an ad, tapping up on the arrow, right corner arrow, tapping on plus, tapping on background. I always take the white background because with that you can come to know easily what I am doing. Okay, I'm just for reference sake I'm taking a sticker of mine, any sticker. Yeah, okay, just increasing the size. Okay, it's not a clean sticker but it is okay. I'm going to start with this now. Yeah, tick mark up. Now here I'm going to go to brushes, tapping on brushes. There are 4 pens down at the bottom. Okay, the first pen, I'm tapping on the first pen. Yeah, choose any color here. Like I want to take a contrast color, so I'm taking a red one. This will just draw as you move your finger, plain drawing. On the first pen itself again I'm tapping. So this is the size of your pen. Size of your pen, you can increase or decrease if you want a small thin line. Okay, just again tap on the pen, so this will go off. Now I'm moving my finger around the body. See here, red color. Now I'm choosing, supposing another color, blue, and I'm moving my finger again. It will start with blue color now. Okay, so you can change wherever you move your finger on the screen, it will show there. Okay, this is the first pen. I'm doing undo up, again undo to show you the second pen. I'm tapping on the second pen and again I'm choosing the dark blue color, any color that you want. Okay, if you tap on the pen, second pen, again you get the size of the pen. Accordingly you can choose the size. I'm just choosing a thicker one. Okay, again tap on the pen for that to go off. Move your finger. See here, this is not a straight line, this is a dotted line. Like you want to show a cutout or something, you want to highlight something, you can show that. Okay, again I'm doing undo button to show you something else. The third pen, I'm tapping on the third pen. Third pen, again tap on it for the thickness. You can take the thickness accordingly. Tap on the pen to put it off. Move your finger. This is with a parallel line of the same color with a white line in between. Any color that you choose, the white line will come. I'm choosing the red one here now and I'm moving. See here, any color that you want, choose, the white line will come in between. Even if you take a black color, see here. Okay, accordingly you can design what you want to do. Okay, again I'm doing undo here to remove that thing, so that in that one canvas only I can show you all the pens. The fourth pen, I'm tapping on it. This different design ka pen will come. These are the designs. Okay, you can choose whatever design that you want. Say I'm choosing this pearls ka. Again tap on it for the thickness, how much big size you want. You can just take the size accordingly. Again tap on the box, move your finger. Okay, this is the pearls ka. Now if I want to take the flowers, there are flowery section also. You can go into any that you want. Supposing I'm taking these roses, again tap on it for the size that you want. If I'm taking the full size, tap on the box again to put it off. Move your finger. See here, the roses, this is the biggest size that you have. Okay, then I'm going to butterflies. Anything that you can just try it out. Size is right. Okay, tap on it to put it off. Butterflies. I am not moving full This thing I'm moving on the head now, just tapping on the head, tapping on the right side flower. Okay, wherever you tap it will come. Not necessarily you have to move it in a line, depending on your creativity that you want. Okay, then there is so many things here. This design, bouquet design, this is called as a bouquet design. I'm tapping on this now. Again, wherever I move the finger, this bouquet will come. If I'm just touching it and leaving it only in that place, it will come. See here, the starry kind of a thing. Okay, right, you can choose whatever. There are different patterns here, many patterns are there. You can check each one that you want, you like. And then last one, there is a rubber. Tap on the rubber size again. You can increase or decrease the size of the rubber, and then again tap on the rubber. I'm moving my finger. Rubber is on now. I'm moving my finger on my body, so that whatever has come on my body will go off, on the face will go off, the effect will go off from there. Baki everywhere it will be there on the canvas. Okay, don't forget to tap on the tick mark up, right corner. Again there is a right arrow for saving it to the gallery. This is an add. Yeah, save it, again save it. Okay, so this is done. Let me know if you like this video. Thank you so much. Try it out, practice with different options, at least 5 options try karo, and send it to me on WhatsApp. I would really love to see your practice work. You can also comment in the comment box. If you like it, you can share it with your friends, this video. Thank you.